Welcome everyone. Today project name is classification of bank dataset on various data mining platforms. One of my very favorite project. So we have developed this project as IPython notebook file. So our title is classification of a bank dataset on various data mining platforms. Guys, concept is very simple. So we have a set of data set of customers. Okay, so customers data set. So we want to approach for a loan. So maybe the lakhs of customers data set. So we can't call everyone, sorry, do you want to loan, do you want to loan, like that. Particularly we want to separate for the customers who are qualified, who are capable for get the loan. Okay, so this is the data mining platforms here. Okay, I hope you understood the concept. So next, these are the libraries. So NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib, Seaborn, Pickle, so everything. So this is the our file name. Our file name is bank.csv, comma separated value file. So first 10 rows. See, these are the features: age, job, morsel status, education, default, balance, housing, loan, then how to contact that person, days, month, so duration, campaign, days, previous, so everything. These are the features. So the last one is features, sorry, last one is target. So this person, no means he will never get the loan, he will never accept the loan proposal. So some persons are there, he will never accept the loan, that means our target is yes. This is the concept. So this is the basic informations. So column names, counts, none values, range, so data types. So this is the pair plot. So here we use train test splitter function. So we need 4 kinds of values: x train, x test, y train, y test. X train, y train for fit our value, x test for predict the values, y test for predict the accuracy. Sorry, x test for predictions, y test for display the accuracy. So test size 0.20 means, so from the 100% data set we assign 20% data set for testing purpose. So this is the x train, head of 10. So randomly it picked the values. So this is the value of x test. So here next we store all the values inside the training testing folder as Excel file. Index is equal to false means nothing but this is the index values, it will be ignored. So next, classification report, confusion matrix, accuracy score, everything belongs to accuracy. So it will display the accuracy in separate way, we will see. So next, I already told you x train, y train for fit our value. Fit our value means nothing but here we build our module using this model using this 2 values. So x test for prediction. So y test for accuracy checking. So 89%. Our model provides 89% accuracy. So this is the classification report. This is the one kind of accuracy. So precision, recall value, F1 score, so everything. This is the confusion matrix. So here nothing, we have separated the precision, recall, F1 score. For we will plot one bar chart with these values. So this is the codes for plot values. So this is the bar chart. This is for precision, this is for recall, this is for F1 score. We know everything. Precision is 88%, 90%, 88%. So next thing is, so we built one model, then we want to check the model. So we give two values, which means so values belongs to one customer. So prediction 2 is values belongs to another one customer. So our model tells no for both, which means you have given two customer values for me, that both persons will never accept your loan proposal. This is the final result. Thank you guys. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more interesting project videos.